If your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any iPhone 17 handset keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, don't worry. This is actually a pretty common issue, and most of the time, it's not a hardware problem. Usually it's just a small setting or network glitch that we can fix in a few minutes. Let's start with the simplest thing first. The first thing you want to do is restart your iPhone. I know it sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how often this fixes connection problems. Just turn the phone off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on again. Now, if the problem is still there, the next thing you can do is toggle Wi-Fi off and on. Go into Settings, tap Wi-Fi, turn it off for about 5 seconds, and then turn it back on. This refreshes the connection between your phone and the router. Another thing that works really well is forgetting the Wi-Fi network and reconnecting. Go to Settings, select Wi-Fi. Now tap the little info icon next to your network and select Forget this network. After that, reconnect by entering the password again. This clears out any connection errors stored on the phone. Now, sometimes the problem isn't your phone at all. It's actually the router. So it's a good idea to restart your router or modem. Just unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Once the internet comes back, reconnect your iPhone. Another setting that can cause issues is Wi-Fi Assist. This feature automatically switches between Wi-Fi and cellular data when the signal is weak. Sometimes it keeps jumping back and forth. To turn it off, go to Settings, click on Cellular, and scroll the screen to disable Wi-Fi Assist. If your Wi-Fi is still disconnecting, you can try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, tap General, then scroll all the way to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, and go with Reset Network Settings. Just keep in mind that this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll have to reconnect to your networks again. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Apple often fixes Wi-Fi bugs in updates. Just go to Settings, click on General. On this screen, tap on Software Update and install any available updates. Another thing to check is VPN apps. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off temporarily because sometimes VPN services interrupt the Wi-Fi connection. For example, if VPN is enabled on your iPhone, you will see a small VPN label in the status bar at the top of the screen. If the VPN icon is not visible, then VPN is currently turned off. And finally, if none of these steps fix the issue, there's a chance it could be a router compatibility problem or a hardware issue. In that case, updating your router firmware or contacting Apple support would be the next step. But honestly, in most cases, one of these simple fixes should solve the problem pretty quickly.